And shall we begin now, or are you waiting for some more students to join?
Ma'am, we'll be starting the session in another 2 minutes.
All right.
Good afternoon, everyone. Now, before we start with today's session, there are a few general instructions I would like all the attendees to adhere to. You all are expected to not unmute yourselves unnecessarily. You can ask your questions in the question and answer round, which will be held at the end of this webinar, or you can write your questions in the chat box.
Yoga is a light which, once lit, will never dim. The better you practice, the brighter your flame.
A very warm welcome to everyone present here. Today, I, Ashwati Vijay, and Ansh Bhutani will be hosting today's webinar, which is being organized by the NSS unit of Vivekananda College and Keshav Mahavidyalaya under the Yoga Mahotsav. Yoga's incorporation of meditation and breathing can help improve a person's mental well-being. Regular practice of yoga creates mental clarity and calmness, increases body awareness, relieves chronic stress patterns, and helps to relax the mind, centers attention, and even sharpens concentration.
The potential of yoga is not limited to achieving physical and mental fitness, but to live a healthy and happy life. Thus, it is right to say that yoga is a way of living. People often misunderstand yoga to be restricted with asanas. However, this is far from reality. Asanas are a way to practice yoga, but it is not yoga itself. Since the ongoing pandemic has adversely affected everyone, we are happy to organize today's session on the topic Yoga Beyond Asanas, which highlights the multidisciplinary aspect of yoga.
And now, without taking much of your time, we would like to request Richa Ma'am, Program Officer of Keshav Mahavidyalaya, to welcome our guest of honor. Ma'am, please.
Okay, thank you. I hope I'm audible.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
A very good evening to all of you. Our eminent speaker, Ms. Neha, Dr. Sandhya Jain, Program Officer, NSS Unit Vivekanand College, colleagues from all colleges, if they are present, and dear students. I, Dr. Richa Sharma, Program Officer, NSS Unit Keshav Mahavidyalaya, welcome you all to today's webinar, organized by the NSS volunteers of both the colleges. Under the Ages of Yoga Mahotsav series, being organized to celebrate the International Day of Yoga coming on 21st of June 2021. The topic of today's webinar is Yoga Beyond Asanas. We are grateful that our esteemed guest, Ms. Neha, kindly consented to be the speaker of the day. She's a certified yoga protocol instructor from Bharat Yoga Vidya Kendra, Satsang Foundation, and a mental health practitioner too. And she began treading this path in the year 2008. She can elaborate on this on her own more later. And regarding this event, most of us perceive yoga as a medium to realize a flexible, physically fit, and illness free body. But very few go and explore the holistic approach towards yoga, as just Ansh told us about. So, the holistic approach towards yoga, that is discipline, self restraint, ethics, meditation, and above all, being in constant touch with the Supreme, that is the Sarvavyapi energy all around us. So, in short, that is the yoga beyond asanas. So, that is where an expert like Ms. Neha comes into the picture. And I again thank Neha to have accepted our invitation in the benefit of our faculty and students. Thank you. Welcome once again.
Neha ma'am started her journey as a mental health practitioner in 2008 with specialization in stress management, lifestyle disorder management, improving work-life balance, management of psychosomatic ailments, personality enhancement, self-empowerment, and meditation. The solutions to the aforementioned issues are simple, ranging from art therapy to holistic meditation and nutrition. Neha ma'am has also started a drive, Happy Walls, an initiative to promote art therapy. This was mainly to use artistic methods to treat psychological disorders and enhance mental health using creative techniques rooted in the idea that creative expression can foster healing and mental well-being. Along with this, she has also launched a website, lifeissimple.co.in, to provide counseling to those affected by this difficult time. Now I request Neha ma'am to kindly address the attendees. Ma'am, please.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I think my collar should go up, no? But honestly, I'm here to learn, like all of you. And it's so nice to see so many youngsters and, want to know about yoga and what is yoga. So I'll start with my personal journey. So I was 14 when I first started practicing yoga. Just as, there was a term break between class 8 and 9. तो होता है ना कि क्या करना है. So बहुत मस्ती हो गई है. Now get serious in life. So your parents, they read newspapers. पहले वो ad आते थे in the newspapers that classified columns में. So a yoga class is happening and chalo, you're free for 2 weeks. So do something better. Very reluctantly, I went for this yoga class and every day I cursed my parents, honestly. What is this yoga? What is this yoga? But slowly I started enjoying yoga because I realized that, okay, I used to exercise, swim, run, gymnast, everything, but I started realizing there's something more. That when I practice, when I experience, something was happening. I used to be happy. I don't know why. So, 70% I am happy, 90% I am happy. And in a way that, once my exams didn't go well and I was like, kal pata nahi kya hoga, I was still happy. Kal dekhi jayegi na, today I'll be like relaxed. That is when I started realizing there's some change happening. My cousins, my friends, and my parents are like, there's some change happening. At that time, I don't know what. I thought I'm like that. I am this. I am a very good person. Probably I've become a saint that I'm happy all the time. It doesn't happen. It was a phase. I stopped practicing yoga because I thought I'm flexible enough. I can do a lot of asanas. Us time Instagram nahi hota tha. So show off karne ke liye I had enough to do. I thought I'm done. I'm sorted. Right? And then what happens after class 12th? College hits in. And what happens in college? You are an adult. Legally you can do all the wrong things. Right? That is when, things started setting in. That what is right, what is wrong. I was by default not attracted to a lot of, I would say, masti, the kind of exploring and everything used to happen. Not because I didn't want to, because it just, it didn't give me happiness, it didn't attract me. So I started wondering there's something wrong with me, or maybe, I'm different from others or something. Slowly, when I was out of college, I started working and everything. I didn't start teaching yoga that time. I was just practicing yoga. Then I realized after like 10 years of leaving my college, I started realizing that all my friends are coming back to me. How can you be so happy? You were always this peace, calm, quiet person in college. And, we have done everything. And we used to think that, you are a Behenji type, but you're not. You are a rock star. So I was like, okay, my collar's up. But then honestly, what is yoga? And these days, so we have Google. That time, we really didn't have Google, right? So all I knew was, because when I went for my class, you chant Om, you do a yoga posture. If you're better than others, you like good, you want to learn more. Somebody else is better than you want to be like your teacher. So we didn't know what really yoga is. So we learned narrowly. Our teacher was there. We had few books we learned. But these days, you youngsters, you have a lot of venues to explore. So I really want to know, not through Google Baba. Google Baba has given you enough knowledge. But really, what do you think yoga is and why are you here? I really want to know. So who's going to start?
Yeah. Ma'am, I guess.
I mute myself for some time now.
Okay. So, ma'am, first of all, I think that yoga is a lifestyle. yoga is multidisciplinary in every aspect. We are having this session today just to appreciate the fact that we have restricted yoga with asanas, with physical exercise, but we need to understand that with every breath that we take, we can associate it with pranayam. What, as in, how do we need to eat food? What is the right proportion? What are the restrictions? As in, there are a couple of restrictions, ki jaise dahi nahi khana raat ko, and so on. So I think everything is based on yoga, because at the end of the day, yoga has been there for thousands of years, before us, before you, before everyone. So I think that yoga provides us the correct path to live a happy life. And since the pandemic has caused a lot of things, has disrupted our life, if I may say so. So that is why we need to focus on yoga to get back on track, as we say. That is
So
my opinion.
we are saying that we were on track before the pandemic. Our lives were
We were, I guess we were
no
better than
problem.
the current situation.
No
We
issue.
had problems. No, we had issues.
Pandemic has proven to be a boon to a lot of people. No, a lot of people are making money, happy. It has been a boon to me. I got a lot of time with myself. Made a lot of life-changing decisions. So, and raat ko dahi nahi khana is not yoga. I eat raat ko dahi, chas. It's good.
Okay.
Depends on the weather. Depends on your body type, and depends on a lot of other factors. Which city, which place you are in. So, raat ko chas pee sakte hain. It's okay. It's good in summers.
Thank you so much to
And
clarify.
yoga does not have any restrictions. A yogi or a yogini is a one who lives life to the T, who lives life right now. There are certain rules, regulations, yes, but those rules, regulations are not restrictions. Those rules, regulations are a way of life. It's like ahimsa, being kind, that is a rule. Honesty, satya, that is a rule. So, yoga and Ayurveda are two different things. So, if we follow Ayurveda, why Ayurveda I'm saying is because Ayurveda is the most ancient text of, keeping our mind and our body healthy. That's it. That is why we say Ayurveda. It has experimented everything and we have those texts ready. So, that is why Ayurveda really helps, diet really helps you, yoga. अब कोई रनिंग करने जा रहा है और वो उसने बड़े मजे से ना लाइक आई मीन कैलकाटा सो मिष्टी दो याद आता है मिष्टी दो खा लिया लुची आलूदम पराठे खा लिए वो इमीडिएटली रनिंग पे नहीं जा सकता ना दैट्स अ बेसिक रूल सेम थिंग डाइट प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल बट it plays an important role but then it's okay moderation is the key I do enjoy my cup of tea when it's raining or in winters. So somebody came online. I think somebody else wanted to share because in last 15 days, what have you learned about yoga? What is yoga? We'll go to asanas later.
Ma'am, Akshat this side. Good evening to all. I believe yoga is the conjunction of mental and physical well-being, and it makes us a human being by conjuncting both the physical posture.
All right, that is one aspect of yoga. Yeah. Anything else? Anybody else here? What is yoga according to you, and why are you here? Healthy well-being you can achieve with yoga. You can achieve with asana. Yeah, someone else.
Ma'am, I won't be saying the factual thing. What I basically think yoga is, we all have a lot of problems in life, and the way we deal with each problem is different, and it is different from individual to individual. Some may deal it very casually, some take it very seriously, some may end up in depression due to some problems they are facing. So just as Ansh just told us that I believe that yoga is a way, it's a method through which we can actually live a happy life, live a life where we don't have to stress on these small matters which we actually feel is very big at the moment, but they are really not. Our life is a long journey and we will have to face a lot of things, but it's up to us how we deal with them, and I really think yoga can help us in dealing with this in a very, very nice manner. Thank you.
That's so
ma'am.
nicely put. Yeah, someone else here?
Yes. So the thing that I learned from yoga, and it's like not taking into the health perspective. It's just that yoga helps in, like I felt, when you focus on your breath, when you're doing pranayama and all the other things, the part of the Ashtanga yogas, all the things that are there, they help in somehow they help in self realization. Like you sit there for a moment, you breathe, you realize that, okay, like you leave all the stress behind and you just focus on yourself. So that is when you start to realize like what I am, or where should I head to. So it just gives you perspective, I feel.
Guys, that's really beautifully put, because at your age, like I didn't know, like Dr. Richa, I was saying, na, things have changed. So, seriously, what you guys are here, it took me, I'm still not there, believe me. It took me more than 20 years to be somewhere where you are. So, it's really nice and heartwarming to see where you are. So, what you guys really said is true. Like, Ansh said, it's a way of living by rules, regulations. Yes, because, there are certain rules and regulations which we need to follow for ourselves. Like, we cannot say ki, I'll be a very dishonest person and I lie about everything, but I expect truth from everybody. Right? It won't be possible. So, like, Asti said that, like you put that yoga is beyond knowing more. That, what things are and what is really important, not getting caught up in things, especially which are not in our control. And like, somebody else also mentioned in the chat, I think I just read it, I just went away, that, yoga is all about knowing your own self. That's true. Like Keshav said, self-realization. There is God, there is no God. A lot of aspects are there about God we can discuss. We really don't know, because it's something not tangible, something that we can see. But what we really know is that we are here. This is something real for us right now. So yoga is actually, for me, because there are a lot of yoga practitioners, there are yogis, yoginis who've written books and who've achieved so much. I am just a student and I'm just learning. So I am just here to share my experience with you, what I have learned. And in my journey, I have learned that yes, first I really need to know myself. Where am I? What am I? Who am I? So this self-realization journey is an ongoing journey, yes. So I think you guys are already there. So I would like, I'm just wondering how to teach you. I'm not here to teach you. I can only share my experience with you. So, for me, for a lot of years, yoga was asanas, because that was something that was taught to me, or probably that was something I perceived myself in. अपने कैसे योगा करने जाते हैं, कोई एडवर्टीजमेंट आता है ना, रिड्यूस स्ट्रेस, तो हमें बोला जाता है that you are under stress. कैसे बोला जाता है you are under stress? These are these ads. I read an ad early morning. This is years ago when I started realizing that how things are. It was a newspaper, very prominent newspaper ad, and the front page said that if you have no hair, no life. And there was a bald man, the picture shown, and no hair, no life. And it's been 11 years. I don't read newspapers and I don't subscribe to newspapers anymore. I was like, इससे तो ऐसी tension हो जाएगा कि no hair, no life. पहले तो stress दो, फिर next page में come for hair transplant and come for yoga, I'll reduce your stress. This much money, this much cost, I'll reduce your stress. Or hourglass figure चाहिए, some celebrity, some actress doing some pose and you want to do that. अभी Instagram में क्या हो गया? Right? Even I want to post sometimes. You do a Shirshasana, you do something, and then you get so many accolades. Oh, yoga. That is actually not yoga. Yoga is, like Keshav said, knowing yourself, who we are. Like Avasthi said, that, not getting affected by small things, what is really important in our lives. Having no hair, okay, you guys can't relate to it, but 10 years ago when I read that, I was like, okay, I might reach there in some time and have family members who are there. Makes no sense, right? And like Ansh said, living by rules and regulations, yes. Ab rules, regulations to honge na. We keep saying I'm a free bird. Ab rules to hai na that we need to inhale oxygen and not carbon dioxide in order to survive. That's a rule. So what are the basic rules? Why are we here? How can we know ourselves? How can we make our life simple? How can we not get affected by things? What are the things that needs to be affected, which needs attention, which does not? How do we think about it? Asanas is a way of life. Like I think Akshat or someone said here, sorry, I don't recall. Like he said, a healthy life, a healthy lifestyle, a happy lifestyle is important. We all achieve that, na? 90% क्यों चाहिए? Job क्यों चाहिए? Happiness के लिए ना? है ना? So what is 90% आ गया तो happiness हो गया, next semester में नहीं आएगा तो चलेगा? नहीं ना? 90% आ गया and then अच्छी job नहीं मिली चलेगा? नहीं ना? Then what is real happiness? What is? I don't know. I cannot express, or I cannot tell you that this is the real happiness, or if you achieve this, you'll get this. I will just tell you that my experience. You know, my experience of happiness is when I just let go of things. It doesn't matter. So, you know, those things, because those things are not in my control. So small things. Like, you know, why are we studying a particular course that we are studying? Are we really honest with ourselves? Right? Are we really kind to ourselves? Are we? So, you know, I had a lot of yoga teachers, and wo hota hai na, shopping. So I did a lot of spiritual and yoga shopping. बहुत जगह गई, malls में, online shopping, you know, everywhere I've been to. So, but I met my yoga guru, I met my teacher a few years ago, and he said that no amount of meditation and no amount of yoga is of worth if you cannot help somebody who's in need or somebody who's sad or is crying. That got me thinking. Because like I come from a school, like you guys come from a school, colleges में क्या होता है, पढ़ाई जरूरी है, इतने मार्क्स आने चाहिए, है ना? अरे तुमने तो 6 घंटे पढ़ाई नहीं करी, एग्जाम्स कैसे दोगे, एग्जाम्स टाइम पे टीवी कैसे देख रहे हो, बड़ी चैटिंग हो रही है फ्रेंड्स के संग व्हाट्सएप पे, राइट? सो आई केम फ्रॉम अ रूल दैट अरे यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस फॉर 2 आवर्स, तो मेडिटेशन तो करना है. Whether my mom is calling me, दिवाली आ रही है, दिवाली की सफाइयों में आ जाओ, I said this is to my meditation time. I thought I am a very, you know, yogini on the path. Doesn't work. Was I being kind to my mom? So when my teacher told me this, and it didn't seep in immediately. You know, hota hai na, that rebel mind and conditioning of the mind. So, acha, okay. So when I'm meditating or anyhow, if somebody needs help, I'm supposed to help, right? So if I help, that means I'm a yogini, I'm a good person. Doesn't work like that, because it is good to help. I'm not saying don't help. It's just that after what happened, when you go out, you help or whatever, if you are just a nice and kind person and you have a nice smile like me, people praise you. And when they praise you, you realize that you are something. Kuch to alag baat hai. But then, honestly, I started helping because it started giving me immense pleasure. Only for myself. I was just being selfish. Till date, I'm selfish. Like today, I have accepted it because I really want to learn from you guys. I have my nieces and nephews, and when I talk to them, it's like it's mind-blowing. I wasn't this wise or intelligent at their age. I wasn't when I was 18, you know. I had a limited knowledge. I had a very limited experiences in life. We didn't have that experience or that exposure. So I honestly wanted to learn. Now, like, what are the rules? So be kind, be happy, help others. But, you know, if you're not kind to yourself, will it really be worth it helping others? नहीं, विवेकानंद जी ने बोला है, be unselfish, help others. है ना? Why not? It's good, no? If you have a pocket money or of like, you know, your last, I don't know, आजकल pocket money क्या है? मेरे time पे तो I think I used to get 500 a month or maybe 1,000. I don't remember. I don't know what the pocket money is, but whatever small amount is left, and you can use it for yourself or you give others. It depends, right? Then who's going to judge that money that you've put in is for the right cause or not? Helping a friend, throwing a birthday party is good. Donating to an NGO is good. Who lays out these regulations? We don't know, right? We really don't know. We learn from our parents, from our teachers. We hope to learn from a guest speaker who comes in. We hope, but we really don't know. We keep exploring. How do we know? By knowing ourselves. Has it given you a little happiness, a little peace? It's worth it. Right? Even if it is throwing a birthday party for a friend. क्योंकि ना मुझे ये बहुत सुनने को मिला था, and I was of that sort. Don't, why should I celebrate my birthday? I'll rather give it to an NGO. That's the right way. There's no right way or wrong way. It's just about being kind, bringing a smile to another person. Right? So what are the other things? And where is this coming from? There are lots of books available. In the end, I'll tell you the names of the books, that you can read. Those books are good. So what are the other regulations? Moderation. Partying is good. Studying is good. Little bit time to ourselves is good. What are the other things? Like what lifestyle changes do you think? I want to know. Who else?
Ma'am, I guess in today's world, we are so much attached to the materialistic things. But when we practice yoga for a long term, we tend to connect our happiness with non-materialistic things and find the happiness within.
I agree, but you don't need a long term. It can happen right now. Right now. Simple things. What is important for you? What is not? What you don't need a long time. Believe me, you really don't need a long time. It can start. Yoga is not a destination. It is journey. And again, like you said, by practicing yoga, you don't practice yoga. You just live. You live your life, and that is yoga. Yoga if you read these scriptures like the Patanjali Yoga Sutras, and there are few nice books which are translated, like one is this, and the other. There are lots of books available, but these two books I would recommend youngsters to read, and probably I'll share the details later. Like, this is my Bible. This is also a good book, very good book. Again, just by being yourself, just by being true to yourself. There's a lot of things. Yoga mein ye karna chahiye, aisa rules hona chahiye, live a moderation life, nothing. Today, if you just start with two things. One, being kind to yourself in anything and being honest to yourself. Why am I sharing these two things with you? Because my journey, my yoga journey started with these two things, with my Guruji told me. I had no clue, and I was not 18, I was 29. So this was 7-8 years ago. So when I started, I really didn't know, because I came from a philosophy, like I'd read a lot of books. I have a whole bunch of books. Yoga aisa hota hai, ye hota hai, and because I can do asanas now, I should look for something further. It didn't work. I started reading, it didn't work. So I would just like to share my experience, and what I learned. I hope if somebody else, it can help any one of you. Just two things to start with. And this is not my thing. This has come from my Guruji, and he told me, like a child, these are the two things you start with. So what do you think is being kind means? Just by being kind and loving, what does it mean? I think you all can teach me. I'm really eager to learn. So enlighten me. Please help me here. Anything, more students? There are many people here. Faculty members? Anyone?
No. Ma'am, having a heart to help others.
What does that mean?
Ma'am, if I have to say about myself, then I would say that I find joy within myself when I actually help someone, and I have made them smile. When I make someone smile, I don't know why, I automatically smile myself. So I think that is being kind. Yeah.
Avasti, keep the fire on.
Ma'am, it's actually Ashwati.
Ashtuti, okay, I'm so sorry, I was reading Avasti.
It's okay.
Ashtuti. So that's like, keep the fire on. Yes. What else is kindness? Or honesty? Let's talk together about it. What is honesty? Being kind can be, this is Aditi, can be to accept Aditi chala gaya wo chat box. Yeah, sorry, वो चला गया, and I am not that tech savvy कि मैं वो ढूंढ के निकालूं.
No problem, I'll read it out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Aditi says, being kind can be to accept our flaws, our imperfections.
I agree. Just the way we are. Yes. Yes. See, I'm so happy today. And what else? What is kindness? Let's explore ना in day to day life. आप सुबह उठते हो, आप सोचो आपने आज क्या किया which you thought is kind या क्या नहीं किया which is unkind, or what is unkindness? Are you all happy with whatever marks you'll get after your exams? Accept your flaws, imperfections. 100% तो नहीं मिल आजकल मिलता है यार बच्चों को 99%, मतलब सही है आजकल के बच्चे. हमें तो नहीं मिला. हमारे तो टॉपर्स भी 80-85 के थे, 86. Vijay Kevat wants to say something. You can unmute him.
Ma'am,
What is
actually, we have another question by Rishabh, and he's asking
Yes.
you how to enlighten the mood with yoga.
Enlighten the mood with yoga.
Yeah.
How to enlighten the mood? I don't know. You can lighten the mood. I don't know how to enlighten it. So, lighten the mood, yes, by practicing certain pranayamas, asanas, by living a life of moderation. Yes, do join a good yoga teacher who will teach you how to lighten your mood. So, see, there are a lot of pranayama practices, breathing exercises. So, you know, when we practice asanas, honestly, why are we talking about yoga beyond asanas? Asanas can make your body healthy, which is very important to lead a healthy life, which is very important to know what lies beyond our healthy life, right? What is it that we are seeking for? Why do we need to meditate? Why do we say that, you know, meditation is important and it will reduce stress? Healthy people be stress mein hote hain na? Lighten. He's writing lighten. Rishabh Sharma. So how to lighten is through the practice of pranayamas. There are certain breathing techniques and there are certain asanas which are mentioned in books, which you can learn from a yoga teacher, which will help you to lighten your mood. Yes. See, very simple to start with is at home, simple exercises like, you know, deep breathing, right? Just deep breathing, just sitting and being aware of your breath, not controlling your breath, being aware of your breath. Listening to very nice light music, classical music, not that आजकल का वो English song जो समझ नहीं आता, हमारे टाइम का 90s का समझ आता था. So listening to nice classical music, yes. Listening to doing japa, chanting, you know, any japa, if Gayatri mantra or Mahamrityunjay mantra, just by chanting Om, nothing else. Or any god you believe in, any energy that you believe in, if you have a guru or teacher who's initiated you to a guru mantra or any mantra, और आपकी फैमिली में ईश देवी देवता होते हैं, any mantra, chanting japa really helps. Breathing exercises or certain breathing techniques really help you lighten the mood, right? And staying away from unwanted things like gadgets, junk food, lot of IT time, lot of Google Baba will help you lighten your mood. Spend time with yourself, with your family, exercising, with kids, with pets, with friends, with family will lighten your mood. A very healthy discussion amongst your friends and teachers that, you know, what do you think? How can we lighten our mood? Has anybody experienced it? Will help you lighten the mood. And this is also yoga. Anybody else here? Kindness is basically your behavior towards others. Maybe in some cases, you will be kind to X people. Okay. And then it went away.
Ansh, can you please read that?
Sure. So Aryan says, kindness is basically your behavior towards others. Maybe in some cases you will be kind to X people, but on the other hand, it may be stupid to others. So kindness has various meanings for various people.
Yeah, kindness doesn't mean getting acceptance from others. So that's okay. Just being true to yourself, right? The moment we start expecting ना कि वो सामने वाला stupid बोल रहा है, कुछ बोल रहा है, we are being unkind to ourselves. Charity begins at home. So charity begins at home doesn't mean कि, you know, सिर्फ घर वालों से शुरू होगी, कि घर वालों को खुश रखो, नहीं, अपने आप को खुश रखो. That's it. We can control our own self. We can control our own mind. Right? We can control our own breathing. Breathing is a very important key. Your breath stays with you the moment you're born, stays with you till you leave this body. Right? Be true, be kind to your body, be kind to your breath. The moment हम सोचते हैं ना सामने वाला हमारे बारे में क्या सोचने वाला है, become aware of your breathing. Nervous हो जाते हैं ना, especially you have a crush on someone, आज मैं कैसा दिख रहा हूँ, how am I looking, होता है ना, then you want approvals from others, तो होता फिर your breathing goes erratic, you start sweating, right? Then you look for deos. Doesn't work. Be kind to yourself. What do you think is the reason for generation acceptance, the rich culture of India? Sorry, Ansh, I'm not going to read now. I'll let Ansh read.
Sure, ma'am. So Keshav is saying, ma'am, what do you think is the reason for this generation accepting the rich culture of India when it is validated by the Western society? Like we had to go from asan to asanas and yoga to yoga.
No. Asan and asanas is Indian. It's very much Indian. Yoga is very much Indian. Because see, even I had this confusion, and my teacher in my yoga TTC cleared this out. Because what happens is that in Sanskrit, it's like yoga, and a lot of cultures, like Hindi mein tum fir bhi bol dete hain yog, but India has some 24 languages. So especially in the south, and a lot of languages, like I stay in Calcutta in Bengali, so the culture changes. So this is actually yoga and asana is from India, because South India, like I had my friends from South India, and this comes from my teacher. So he says, that we will say sapadya, or yoga. That's how it just seeped in. Asana is even I had this thought that this is from the Western culture. It is not. It's just our vernacular, and then so many talking about it. But yes, what Keshav said, that we accept yogas and asanas and the benefits of meditation, which has come from the West, which is very sad. This, I agree, is very sad. This is something that, again, accept yourself, embrace yourself. This knowledge has been here. But this is something that has happened. So we can't change that. So things are changing, and hopefully, the future is in the hands of the youth. So you will change it. Right. I know, Keshav, I understand it's not nice. I remember we speak Hindi at home. So my kids picked up Hindi, by default at home. So when they joined a particular school, or when they used to socialize, how can I make my body flexible? Drink a lot of water and join a good, reliable yoga class. You need to do asanas, pranayams to be flexible. You need asanas to be flexible. Yes. So, your kids speak in Hindi. Oh, no. We particularly speak in English so that our kids speak in English, which is very sad. English is a language, Hindi is a language, or any vernacular which you speak at home, your mother tongue is your mother tongue. So this is something which we consciously need to accept and just let go and not get into arguments कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ. It's over. Start speaking in Hindi. चलो आज हम हिंदी में बात करते हैं. I hope everybody is okay with Hindi. मेरी हिंदी इंग्लिश बंगाली मिक्स हो जाती है. Yeah. If anybody is not comfortable with Hindi, तो मेरे को बताना आप.
मैम आज हम ये डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं योगा बियॉन्ड आसन्स. तो मैम मेरा एक बहुत टाइम से क्वेश्चन था कि हम जैसे देख रहे हैं मतलब हम ये मान रहे हैं कि योगा कुछ भी ठीक कर सकता है, चाहे वो हमारी मेंटल हेल्थ हो, चाहे वो फिजिकल हेल्थ हो. बट एट द सेम टाइम जो वेस्टर्न मेडिसिन जिसको हम टर्म देते हैं, तो हम उसको हमें इग्नोर तो नहीं करना चाहिए ना. तो प्लीज मतलब इसमें बैलेंस कैसे करें समझने में, ये बहुत मुश्किल होती है मेरे को.
देखिए ये ना, यू आर एब्सोल्युटली राइट, आप ठीक बोल रहे हो. देखिए जो मॉडर्न मेडिसिन है, बाय वर्ड इट इज मॉडर्न बिकॉज इट इज वेरी न्यू, इट्स अ न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी. अब आप मेडिसिन बोलोगे, दवाइयां बोलोगे, तो हमारा आयुर्वेद सिस्टम में वो ऑलरेडी दवाइयां हैं. योगा से अगर कोई आपके पास आए और हमें बोले कि ना मेरे को ये बीमारी है, योगा से ठीक कर दो, योगा से सच में जो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है, और मेरा एक्सपीरियंस वही है जो मैंने अपने गुरुजी से सीखा है. तो योगा से आप बीमारियां, वो दवाई नहीं है कि मैं दवाई नहीं खाऊं और मैं डॉक्टर के पास नहीं जाऊं, मैं योगा करूं मैं ठीक हो जाऊं. योगा एक सिस्टम की तरह काम करता है. अब जैसे प्रैक्टिकली बात करते हैं, किसी को घुटने की प्रॉब्लम है, हड्डी की प्रॉब्लम है, या तो कैल्शियम कम हो गया, या तो आर्थराइटिस है, या तो स्पॉन्डिलाइटिस है, सर्वाइकल स्पॉन्डिलाइटिस है, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, राइट. कमर में दर्द है या इंजरी भी है सपोज, तो वो क्या होगा, आयुर्वेदा कैसे हील अप करता है, आयुर्वेदा कैसे काम करता है कि वो आपके स्केलेटन मस्कुलर स्केलेटन सिस्टम को आपको ठीक करेगा, है ना। अगर अब हमें रिप्रोडक्शन की, जैसे गर्ल्स को, विमेन को एंड नाउ मेन ऑल्सो, उनको बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स होती है ड्यूरिंग मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल कि यू नो हमें अपने मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल्स की प्रॉब्लम है, इरेगुलर है, या जैसे बेबीज जब होते हैं उसके बाद कोई प्रॉब्लम है, या हार्ट की कोई बीमारी है, कुछ भी है। सो वो योगा के संग क्या होता है, हम अपने सिस्टम को ठीक करते हैं। एक सिस्टम में अगर हमारा वो लंग का सिस्टम है, या हमारा एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम है, या हमारे हार्ट एलिमेंट है, या मस्कुलर सिस्टम है, डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम है, उसमें ना बहुत सारी बीमारियां आ सकती हैं। योगा आपके सिस्टम को स्ट्रॉन्ग करता है, आपकी इम्यूनिटी को स्ट्रॉन्ग करता है, यस। दवाइयां हमें निगेट नहीं करनी है, यस, लेकिन हर बीमारी के लिए एक दवाई पॉप इन करना है रॉन्ग, वो हमें नहीं करना है। हम दवाइयों को इग्नोर नहीं करेंगे अगर हम इस चीज में जाएंगे कि हमें अपनी इम्यूनिटी बढ़ानी है, हमें अपनी बॉडी को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाना है ना, फ्लेक्सिबल बनाना है। योगा विल हेल्प, जहां जरूरत है वहां जरूरत है। बहुत सारी बीमारियों के लिए आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसिन भी आती हैं, आचार्याज हैं, वेद आचार्याज हैं। अगर इतना पॉपुलर नहीं है, जिस तरीके से डॉक्टर्स इजीली अवेलेबल है, केमिस्ट शॉप इजीली अवेलेबल है, वेद आचार्याज उनकी दवाइयां उतनी इजीली अवेलेबल नहीं है। अगर आपके आसपास में है कि आप कंसल्ट कर सकते हो तो जरूर, यस। लेकिन जो मॉडर्न मेडिसिन है, दवाइयां हैं, उनसे फायदा तो होता है। डिपेंड करता है कि आपकी सिचुएशन क्या है, वो हम हर उसमें नहीं बोल सकते। अगर इंजरी हुई है तो हमें तो डॉक्टर के पास जाना है ना, दवा तो लेनी है ना, साथ में योग भी करना। योग कैसे करना है? डीप ब्रीदिंग। हाउ विल इट हेल्प? आप टेंशन में नहीं आओगे, आप स्ट्रेस में नहीं आओगे, आप डर में नहीं आओगे। क्या योगा हमारी एकाग्रता को बढ़ाने में सहायक करता है? यस, करता है। योगा हमारे माइंड पे काम करता है। योगा से हम अपने आप को जानते हैं। जब हम अपने आप को जानने लगते हैं, तो जो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है, तब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे और सामने वाले में कोई फर्क नहीं है। मैं किस चीज से फर्क ढूंढ रही हूँ? वही फ्लैश है ना, वही सांस ले रहे हैं ना, है ना। और एकाग्रता से आप क्या समझते हो आप मुझे बताओ, बिकॉज एकाग्रता इज अ वेरी वाइड टॉपिक। सो आप एकाग्रता के बारे में किस पर्टिकुलर एस्पेक्ट के बारे में आप बात करना चाह रहे हो? I'll wait for the person to reply. So, होता क्या है, मेरा क्या एक्सपीरियंस हुआ, मुझे ना अपने में क्या डिफरेंस था, कंसंट्रेशन और फोकस टुवर्ड्स एनीथिंग। साइंटिफिक प्रूफ्स हैं, एंड संडे माय फ्रेंड, माय कॉलीग विल टॉक, शी विल टॉक अबाउट इट, अबाउट द साइंटिफिक प्रूफ्स। यस, इनफैक्ट आजकल मुझे तो लगा वी स्टार्टेड द योगा से यही नहीं बोला कि इंप्रूव योर कंसंट्रेशन, रिलैक्स योर माइंड and become strong, become healthy, disease free. So that's the basic. And improving your concentration, I would say कि ये तो normal है, ये तो होगा, क्योंकि बिना concentration के हम आगे ही नहीं बढ़ पाएंगे। अगर आप आसना भी कर रहे हो, yes, ऋषभ, yes. So अगर आप योगा भी कर रहे हो और आप प्राणायाम कर रहे हो, लेकिन आपका ध्यान कहीं और है, forget it ना। गाड़ी भी चला रहे हो, ध्यान कहीं और है, तो क्या होगा, right? So concentration, relaxation, ये होगा, और ये चीजें विद प्रैक्टिस होंगी। लाइक आई सेड, प्राणायामा, आसना, which you can easily learn from a good yoga teacher। आपके आसपास कोई भी है, आप सीखोगे ना, आपको धीरे धीरे एक्सपीरियंस होने लगेगा। एंड इट इज लाइक एक्सपीरियंस। अब मैं बोलूं कि स्विमिंग पूल के बाहर बैठ जाओ, गाड़ी के बाहर बैठ जाओ, मैं गाड़ी चलाना सिखाती हूँ, है पॉसिबल? नहीं है। तो योगा इज एन एक्सपीरियंस तो करना पड़ेगा ना। गाड़ी की फील कैसी है, स्टीयरिंग व्हील कैसे चल रहा है। आजकल तो तुम सब 18 के पहले गाड़ी चलाने लगे हो, है ना, पता है मुझे। हाँ, स्विमिंग करनी है तो पानी में हाथ तो देना पड़ेगा ना, घुसना तो पड़ेगा। एक्सपीरियंस करके देखो, 3 महीना, 6 महीना, थोड़ा सा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन बढ़ा, रिलैक्सेशन हुआ, माइंड, गुस्सा आना कम हुआ मम्मी पापा पे, on breath, it help us to do yoga, or help us to do yoga, help us to do asana. We cannot do yoga भी हम क्या बोल रहे हैं, अपने आप से अपने आप को खुद को जोड़ना, सिंपल, दैट इज योगा। हम कौन है, हमें अपने बारे में क्या पता है? अभी हमें पता है ये बॉडी है, एक माइंड है जो चलता रहता है, एक सांस है ना। अभी हम इस पे, शुरुआत में हम इस पे काम करते हैं ना, प्राणायाम करते हैं, राइट? प्राणायाम इज नॉट लाइक आप जो टीवी पे देखते हो, नो, सिंपल, जस्ट डीप ब्रीदिंग, राइट? सिंपल डीप ब्रीदिंग, हम उससे स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. सिंपल आसनास, आजकल तो सूर्य नमस्कार बड़ा फेमस हो गया ना इंस्टाग्राम यूट्यूब पे, राइट? उससे भी सिंपल आसनास, जस्ट स्ट्रेचिंग अप एंड डाउन. आप जब योगा क्लास ज्वाइन करोगे किसी अच्छे टीचर के पास, वो आपको सिंपल आसना से शुरू करवाएगा, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी आएगी. आप देखो मैं इरिटेट हो रही हूँ कि नहीं. कुछ लोगों को गुस्सा काफी आता है, उनको कंट्रोल करने के लिए कुछ बताओ, शांत पीसफुल माइंड. योगा क्लास ज्वाइन करो, मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है, गुस्सा शांत होगा, राइट? रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत है. आप ये सोचो कि आज ना मैंने 3 महीने का क्रैश कोर्स कर लिया और मेरा गुस्सा शांत हो जाएगा, नहीं होगा, है ना? आपको ये पता है कि आपको, आई होप यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट योर सेल्फ. हाँ, हम यहाँ किसी और के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. योगा इज टू नो योर सेल्फ. आपको अगर ये पता है कि आपको गुस्सा थैंक यू, यस, अगर आपको ये पता है कि आपका गुस्सा आता है, आपको ऑलरेडी आप एक स्टेप आगे ले चुके हो ना, टू नो योर सेल्फ. अब आप तरीके ढूंढ रहे हो कि हमें गुस्सा कैसे कम करना है. तो योगा आसनास, प्राणायामा प्रैक्टिस करने से, टू स्टार्ट विथ, देयर आर सर्टेन रूल्स रेगुलेशंस. जैसे ये आएगा टू बिकम अवेयर कि मुझे गुस्सा आता है, वेरी सिंपल, यू नो, मुझे अपने ऊपर काइंड होना है. आई हैव टू बी काइंड, बी नाइस टू योर सेल्फ. इसका करने से किसको नुकसान हो रहा है, किसको फायदा हो रहा है, राइट? अच्छा, मैं गुस्सा करता हूं, इस समय who am I? मैं गुस्सा कर रहा हूं, मैं कौन हूं? Just simple become aware of your breathing. That time गुस्सा कहीं नहीं भाग रहा, वो इंसान कहीं नहीं भाग रहा, बाद में निकाल लेना. Become aware. But yes, if you practice yoga, और ज्यादा देर करने की जरूरत नहीं है, half an hour 45 minutes की एक स्टार्टिंग की क्लास, because with young people it's easy to start with, है ना? अभी आप यंग हो, अभी आपके लिए इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं होगा, राइट? सो आप जब स्टार्ट करोगे ना, 45 minutes ऑल्सो. बट एक चीज मैं बोलूंगी, स्टार्ट विद अ टीचर. अगर कोई टीचर नहीं अवेलेबल हो रहा है, देयर आर सर्टेन यूट्यूब वीडियोस, देयर आर सर्टेन बुक्स, सिंपल आसनास यू कैन स्टार्ट, सिंपल प्राणायाम, जस्ट सिंपल डीप ब्रीदिंग. अभी हम करेंगे, इफ वी हैव टाइम, 5 minutes की हम 2 टाइप की डीप ब्रीदिंग करेंगे, विच विल रियली हेल्प यू, विच हैज हेल्प मी. सो बहुत सारे हैं, दीज 2 मैं बताना चाहूंगी बिकॉज इसने मुझे बहुत हेल्प करा है और करता है अभी भी. मैं कर रही थी ना बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द टॉक टू द किड्स. सो किसी टीचर के साथ करो, दिस आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट.
Yeah. Ma'am, Soumya Shagun has a question. She's saying there are times when we can't even understand our feelings, that what is happening inside us. So how can yoga help us in this?
Yes. ये ना होता है, हमें नहीं पता होता कि हम बहुत कंफ्यूजन स्टेट में होते हैं, है ना? तो योगा विल अगेन हेल्प अस. हाउ? क्योंकि सी अगेन, एनीथिंग दैट वी डू, हमारा जो माइंड है ना, वो बहुत सारे गेम्स खेलता है. इट्स अ माइंड गेम, नो? फीलिंग में क्या चल रहा है, क्योंकि माइंड भी क्वेश्चन कर रहा है ना, ये सही है, ये गलत है, नहीं पता, व्हाट एम आई फीलिंग, मैं इसको वर्ड्स में नहीं एक्सप्रेस कर पा रही हूँ. क्यों करना है ना? हमें हर चीज को जस्टिफाई क्यों करना है? तो वहां हम कैसे पहुंचेंगे? हम जब ये योगा प्राणायाम आसना शुरू करेंगे, आप अपने अंदर धीरे धीरे वो फर्क महसूस करोगे. क्योंकि योगा का जो एम है, योगा चित्त वृत्ति निरोधा, जो योगा के प्रैक्टिसेस बने हुए हैं ना, आसना के, प्राणायाम के, मेडिटेशन के, यमा नियमा अष्टांग योगा जो बना है, उसका जो रिजल्ट है, जो अचीव हम करना चाह रहे हैं, वो मेंशन्ड है. सी, बिकॉज यू नो, यू गाइस कैन रीड, देयर इज an ancient scripture जिसका नाम है योगा सूत्रास बाय पातंजलि. पातंजलि's योगा सूत्रास. आप संस्कृत जानते हो, आप पढ़ सकते हो. अदरवाइज देयर आर बुक्स, ट्रांसलेशन है इन इंग्लिश जो आप इसको पढ़ सकते हो. सो वन बुक विच आई विल रिकमेंड फॉर एवरीबडी टू रीड इज योगा ऑल्सो फॉर द गॉडलेस. इट हैज हेल्प मी. इट हैज नथिंग टू डू विद आसनास, राइट? सबके पास नहीं टाइम होता, सबको टीचर नहीं मिलता कि हम योगा आसना प्रैक्टिस कर पाए, या हमें नहीं करना योगा आसना. हम हेल्दी, हम क्यों करें? हम तो फ्लेक्सिबल है, हम क्यों करें? सो दिस इज वन बुक. सेम इसी के लिए अनदर बुक, आई थिंक ये अमेज़न पे मिल जाएगा, राइट? दिस इज बाय स्वामी विवेकानंद. दिस इज पतंजलि's योगा सूत्रा. सो यू नो, दिस बुक टॉक्स अबाउट व्हाई इज इट मेंशन योगा आल्सो फॉर द गॉडलेस. रीड एंड यू नो. सो यू नो, हमारा जो माइंड है, तो पातंजलि योगा सूत्रा स्टार्ट ही करते हैं बाय सेइंग योगस चित्त वृत्ति निरोधा। अब इसका मतलब क्या, बड़ा हाईफाई सा लग रहा है ना, मुझे तो लगा था। योगा से हमारा जो माइंड है उसके जो फ्लक्चुएशंस हैं वो शांत होंगे, खत्म नहीं होंगे, थॉट्स आएंगे हमारे पर वो शांत होंगे। कैसे होंगे? थ्रू द प्रैक्टिस। स्विमिंग करने के लिए पानी में घुसना पड़ेगा, हाँ, देयर आर 4-5 स्ट्रोक्स। जिसको स्विमिंग का वो स्ट्रोक, वो ब्रेस्ट स्ट्रोक एंड वो फ्री स्टाइल स्ट्रोक नहीं आता ना, वो भी स्विम कर लेता है। पानी में तो घुसना पड़ेगा, है ना। प्रैक्टिस तो शुरू करनी पड़ेगी, रीड करना पड़ेगा, और आप लोग ऑलरेडी उस पाथ में हो बिकॉज आप क्वेश्चन कर रहे हो, है ना। तो ऑलरेडी उस पाथ में हो, अब क्वेश्चन करना स्टार्ट किया है, रुकना मत। नहीं पता स्विमिंग कब सीखेंगे, कोई बोल सकता है 2 दिन में सीख जाओगे? नहीं ना। या कोई बोलेगा स्विमिंग सीखो 1 मंथ में, नहीं सीख पाए तो पैसा वापस, नहीं ना। सिमिलरली करना तो पड़ेगा, बिना प्रैक्टिस करे तो नहीं होगा ना। आप लोग जब छोटे थे 1 दिन में चलना शुरू किया था, 1 साल में तो खड़ा हुए थे, है ना। सिर्फ 1 साल लगा था खड़ा होने में। मदद की जरूरत पड़ी थी ना। चलो मम्मी पापा बहुत लोगों के पास नहीं होते, कुछ चीज तो पकड़ा था, कोई टेबल चेयर, कोई दीवार। मदद की जरूरत पड़ी थी ना, किसी ना किसी चीज की तो जरूरत पड़ेगी ना। सो हमें प्रैक्टिस करना है। और ये मैं नहीं कह रही कि योगा करो क्योंकि मैं योगा टीचर हूँ, क्योंकि ये स्क्रिप्चर्स हैं जो बहुत पुराने हैं। रीड दोज बुक्स, यू विल नो, आपको पता चलेगा। प्रैक्टिस इट। तो योगस चित्त वृत्ति निरोधा। हमारी माइंड के थॉट्स आने कम नहीं होंगे, वो उनका काम है थॉट्स देना, लेकिन जो फ्लक्चुएशंस है, कंफ्यूजन है, ये नहीं पता ये अच्छा है कि नहीं, ये नहीं पता ये सही है कि गलत है, हमें नहीं पता। मीडिया में आजकल इतना कुछ दिखाया जा रहा है, या जो सक्सेसफुल है हमें लगता है कि अरे दिस पर्सन इज वेरी सक्सेसफुल, वो रिच है तो वो बहुत खुश है, दिस इज द एम। बहुत कुछ चलता है ना, समवेयर इन द माइंड इट सेज कि नहीं, मतलब जस्ट बिकॉज अ पर्सन इज रिच तो वो तो करप्ट भी हो सकता है ना, इसका मतलब तो ये नहीं, दैट्स द आइडल थिंग। अभी तो नो, लाइक यू ऑल आर सीइंग दिस, सो अभी तो आप लोग पढ़ रहे हो, आप लोग कॉलेज में हो, सो आई वुड नॉट से दैट डोंट एम फॉर द बेस्ट। पढ़ाई करो, अच्छे से करो, अच्छे, you know, you should do your best, whatever. I hope आप लोग ने वो subjects लिया है which is good for you and which you actually want. लेकिन अब ना हम कभी बैठते हैं ना तो हम आपस में ना यही बात कर रहे होते हैं, वो 90% वाली क्या कर रही है। See, I was the backbencher ना, कॉलेज में कितनी क्लासेस बंक करी, what are you doing? And अभी भी one of my friends, college friends, so हम यही बात करते रहते हैं। मेरे से कहते हैं तेरे नोट से तो मैं पास हो गया, तेरे से ज्यादा आया, मेरा 72 उसका 74। कहते तूने पूरे साल नहीं बैठ के नोट्स लिखा, आई वाज अ वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट, मैं बंक नहीं किया कुछ कभी। तो बड़े ना वो नोट्स लिखने हैं, मेरे को फॉलो करने, कहते मैं तो 2 दिन पहले आके लेके जाता था, फिर भी 74 लाया तू, 72 लाई। सो आई डोंट रिग्रेट कि मेरे 72 क्यों आए, आई यूज्ड टू एंजॉय मेकिंग दोज नोट्स। सो बट व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, हाउ विल यू नो? रीडिंग विल हेल्प, प्रैक्टिसिंग विल हेल्प। Why? Because वो ऋषि मुनियों ने बहुत सालों एक्सपेरिमेंट करा, वो स्क्रिप्चर्स लिखे। अब आप वो बुक्स कहाँ ढूंढोगे? There are many books available by Ramakrishna Mission, by Vivekananda, my Guruji Shri M, उनके बुक्स हैं, YouTube वीडियोस हैं, there are many available, right? But don't read all, don't follow all, खिचड़ी पक जाएगी। Start with simple breathing, which we practice. Simple. क्या बोलते हैं ना उसे? Desktop yoga, corporate chair yoga, something we see. Chair meditation, I don't know क्या new terms है. Anything else? We have time.
Ma'am, we can do the deep breaths.
Everyone's ready?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. आप अगर कुछ खा पी रहे हो देन अवॉइड, जस्ट वॉच। अगर आपको ऑलरेडी यू हैव 1 घंटा हो गया है, यस मैम, मतलब आप खा पी रहे हो, जस्ट वॉच। सो 1 घंटा अगर हो गया है, थोड़ा स्टमक लाइट है, देन यू प्रैक्टिस। आई मीन आप उसमें भी कर सकते हो, बट आपको वो इनिशियली टू स्टार्ट विथ नहीं। सो वेरी सिंपल, द फर्स्ट रूल इज वी कैन नॉट स्लाउच। हम ऐसे बैठ के ना डीप में मेडिटेशन योगा नहीं कर सकते, है ना। इंडिपेंडेंट होना है, टू नो योरसेल्फ। सो सिट वेरी कंफर्टेबली, बहुत ऐसे अकड़ के नहीं बैठना, बट ट्राई एंड मेक श्योर कि आपका जो स्पाइन है, आपका जो बैक है ना, वो कहीं पर रेस्टेड नहीं है। इट इज independently on its own spine. Okay, मतलब just because straight होके बैठना है, yes, अगर straight नहीं भी हो पा रहे हो, can slouch, be comfortable, but हमारा जो back है वो किसी चीज पे rested नहीं होना चाहिए. Students in my class, मैंने दीवार से टेक लगा के बैठा, it's straight, no, not straight, it should not be rested. So I hope you're there. पद्मासना या किसी वो strict yogic posture में बैठने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just be comfortable in your chairs wherever you're sitting. Remove your specs, your watches if you want, if you feel like, it's okay. And आंखें बंद करिए. अगर आपको आंख बंद करने में भी कंफर्टेबल नहीं है, it's okay. थोड़ा सा नीचे देख सकते हैं. Be comfortable. Relax your shoulders. Relax your eyebrows. Relax your jaws. Relax your body. Relax your mind. अपना ध्यान, अपना अवेयरनेस अपने नॉस्ट्रल्स पे लेके जाएंगे, सांस पे. इट्स ओके. हो सकता है आपकी सांस आप कंट्रोल कर रहे हो, नहीं जा रही हो, इट्स ओके. जस्ट एक अपने माइंड को एक थॉट देंगे कि मैं अपने सांस पे अपना ध्यान लेके जा रहा हूँ, लेकर जा रही हूँ. मेरी सांस आ रही है, अब जा रही है. इनहेल, एक्सहेल. अब हम बिना आवाज करे बहुत धीरे, नो एक्सर्शन, नो साउंड, बहुत धीरे कॉन्शियसली सांस अंदर लेंगे. वी विल इनहेल एंड very slowly, without any making sound, we will exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now, consciously, हम अपना exhalation, inhalation से थोड़ा लंबा करेंगे. अपने रिदम में आप करो. हमें ध्यान क्या रखना है, सांस की आवाज नहीं आनी चाहिए. आप खुद भी नहीं, आपको आपकी सांस की आवाज आनी चाहिए, लेते हुए छोड़ते हुए. इनहेल करेंगे, एक्सहेल लिटिल लॉन्गर. सांस को रोकेंगे नहीं कहीं भी. अब हम अपना ध्यान अपने नेवल स्टमक एरिया पे लेके जाएंगे. अब आप ध्यान दो कि आप जब सांस ले रहे हो, आपका पेट बाहर आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है, और जब सांस छोड़ रहे हो तो आपका पेट अंदर जा रहा है कि नहीं जा रहा है. कैसे आपका पेट जा रहा है, अभी कोई सही गलत नहीं है. जस्ट बिकम अवेयर क्या हो रहा है, ध्यान लेके जाना है वहां. नाउ कॉन्शियसली अगेन हम एक्सर्ट नहीं करेंगे, अपने रिदम पे करेंगे. बहुत देर तक लंबी सांस लेने का मतलब ये नहीं कि आप अच्छा कर रहे हो. अवेयरनेस के संग करेंगे कि हम जब सांस ले रहे हैं, हमारा जो पेट है थोड़ा फूल रहा है, बाहर आ रहा है. तो अब अपने हाथों को ऐसे, अपने राइट हैंड को अपने नेवल पे बहुत धीरे से रख सकते हो. दबाना नहीं है, बहुत धीरे से अपने हाथों को अपने नेवल पे रख सकते हो. अदरवाइज इट्स ओके. आप जब सांस ले रहे हो, आपका पेट थोड़ा सा बाहर आ रहा है, कॉन्शियसली एफर्ट करेंगे आंख बंद करके. और जब सांस छोड़ रहे हो, आपका पेट अंदर जा रहा है, बहुत नहीं, हल्का सा. जब हम हाथ रखते हैं तो हमें थोड़ा फील होता है ना. बहुत ज्यादा ताकत नहीं लगानी है. इट्स नॉट एन एक्सरसाइज दैट वी आर डूइंग. So just that's it. Continue your practice. Keep your hands on your navel. Very lightly. Inhale करेंगे, soundless breathing. आपको खुद को अपनी सांस की आवाज नहीं आनी चाहिए. वेरी स्लो हम इनहेल करेंगे, हमारा पेट थोड़ा सा फूलेगा, जितना भी फूले दैट्स गुड। एक्सेल करेंगे, हमारा पेट अंदर होगा। कंटिन्यू फॉर सम टाइम, मैं बता दूंगी कब तक। इनहेल, वेरी स्लो। आपके आसपास कोई साउंड आ रहा है, कोई आवाजें आ रही हैं, ट्रैफिक की, बर्ड्स की, घर पर कोई आवाज कर रहा है, जस्ट एक्सेप्ट ये हो रहा है, एक्सेप्ट इट। उन आवाजों को सुनो, उनको एक्सेप्ट करो, अब्जॉर्ब करो एंड अपने सांस पे ध्यान लेके जाओ। हम सांस ले रहे हैं बहुत स्लो, अगेन स्लो ब्रीदिंग, साउंडलेस ब्रीदिंग। एक्सर्शन नहीं करना है। Relax. You can put your hands away. अपने हाथों को आप पेट से हटा सकते हो। Just be with yourself. सांस पे ध्यान दीजिए। अपने थॉट्स को मत कंट्रोल करिए। थॉट्स तो आएंगे ना, ब्रेन का काम ही है थॉट्स देना, तो वो थॉट्स बंद क्यों करेगा? लेट इट कम। इट्स ओके, थॉट्स आ रहे हैं तो हम अपनी सांस को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। अब एक सिंपल सा एक ट्रांजिशन करेंगे टू अनदर प्राणायाम, वेरी बेसिक, वेरी सिंपल, आप लोग कर सकते हो रोज। अब हम नाक से सांस लेंगे और हम मुंह से सांस छोड़ेंगे। कैसे छोड़ेंगे? आज हम सबका हैप्पी बर्थडे है और हमारे सामने कैंडल्स है हमारे केक पर। इट्स ओके, बहुत फिलॉसफी है ना, हम केक कैंडल्स बुझाना नहीं चाहिए बर्थडे पे। आज हम प्राणायाम कर रहे हैं, आज हम बुझा सकते हैं। गुड फॉर द लंग्स, गुड फॉर द माइंड। सो inhale from the nose, exhale from the mouth as if आप candles blow कर रहे हो। So if you can watch me, आवाज बहुत कम आएगी exhale करते वक्त, right? So inhale and exhale करते वक्त inhale and exhale। अपने मुंह को फोर्स नहीं करना है, जनरली बस मुंह से सांस निकालनी है जैसे आप कैंडल्स ब्लो कर रहे हो। Again, soundless breathing. Your spine is not rested, right? And very slow. Exertion नहीं देंगे हम। The breathing out is longer, little longer than inhalation. थोड़ा सा लंबा, हल्का सा। Awareness होनी चाहिए कितना, don't count for the seconds. Inhale exhalation का कोई seconds नहीं है, don't count please. Just inhale and exhale from the mouth. एक्सेल करते वक्त हमारा पेट अंदर जाएगा, इनहेल करते वक्त हमारा पेट बाहर आएगा। जब हम मुंह से सांस छोड़ेंगे, आपको फील होगा आपका पेट अंदर जा रहा है, आपको वो हवा बाहर निकालनी है। नो साउंड, एक्सेल करते वक्त वेरी लिटिल साउंड। अपना चेस्ट रिलैक्स, शोल्डर्स रिलैक्स। Continue. 1 more minute. Slow, soundless breathing. Inhale from the nose, exhale from the mouth. Relax. Just relax. Watch your breath. Watch yourself. Be with yourself. This pranayama calms your mind. मन शांत करने के लिए ये बहुत ही अच्छी प्राणायाम प्रैक्टिस है. हम अपने हाथों को रब कर सकते हैं एक दूसरे से. रब करके स्लोली पुट योर हैंड्स, योर पाम्स ऑन योर आईज, फेस को, एंड देन you can open your eyes. So these two techniques, I hope आपने किया अच्छे से, and I couldn't monitor. This is my first time that I'm just explaining and I can't see anyone. So tell me later how you felt, right? I want to know. But these two techniques can be practiced by anybody. कभी भी कर सकते हो, कितनी देर भी कर सकते हो, right? फौरन खाना खा के नहीं करना है, खाली थोड़ा हल्का पेट होना चाहिए. और ये जो सेकंड टेक्निक है ना, इनहेल फ्रॉम द नोज एंड एक्सहेल फ्रॉम द माउथ, ये मेरे एक्सपीरियंस में दिस इज द बेस्ट, क्योंकि ये ना आपके माइंड को हर वक्त बहुत जल्दी शांत करता है. तो मेरे संग ऐसा होता था कभी कभी दैट आई एम वेरी इरिटेटेड, वेरी एंग्री बिकॉज ऑफ समथिंग हैज हैपेंड, कुछ हुआ है. अब मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकती ना, मतलब पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन है, आप नहीं पहुंच सकते किसी अपने फ्रेंड के पास, फैमिली मेंबर के पास, आप हेल्पलेस फील कर रहे हो, क्या करोगे आप? और अदरवाइज भी नहीं कर सकते हो ना, बिकॉज प्लीज टेक दीज टाइप्स ऑफ सेशंस अगेन. श्योर. सो थैंक यू. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट कोई हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, कोई सिचुएशन. न्यूज हम देखते हैं बहुत बार, तो बड़ी इरिटेशन आती है ना, स्पेशली ऐसा क्यों हो गया, ये हो गया, कुछ होता है ना. हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, हम अपने आप को तो पहले शांत करें ना. अगर हमें आगे लड़ने जाना है, चाहे मेंटली फिजिकली, कि नहीं पापा मम्मी मेरे को तो ये कोर्स करना ही है, आई वांट, तो ये तो मेरा यही करियर होगा, राइट, मेरे को तो यही करना है, तो लड़ने के लिए पहले तो अपने आप को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाना होगा ना. हम रोते फिरते गुस्से में तो नहीं जा सकते ना. व्हाट विल हेल्प अस, दिस एक्सरसाइज. मैंने ऐसा तक प्रैक्टिस किया है कभी कभी. एक कॉर्नर, एक पार्क में एक बार हुआ था एक सिचुएशन, आई जस्ट सैट डाउन, something happened and I just sat down in the park, inhale from the nose, exhale from the mouth, जब तक मैं शांत नहीं हो जाती. I was not in a thing कि मैं ड्राइव भी करके कहीं जा सकूं. I was very upset for something that happened. First you have to calm yourself. These two pranayams आपको help करेगा, right? The second one especially for your mind. First one ना anyways हमारी lung capacity increase करेगा. आजकल बड़ा हो गया ना, immunity develop करना है. Good. You can practice जितनी बार भी. To start with, सिंपल सा 5 मिनट देना है अपने आप को. ऐसा नहीं है जी नहा कर ही करना है, बस ब्रश कर लेना है ना, ब्रश करके फ्रेशन अप करके सिट एंड डू, राइट. बालकनी में बैठना है, सिट एंड डू. रात को सोने के पहले तो मुझे ये करके सोना ही है. 5 minutes a day is enough to start with. एग्जाम के पहले बहुत जरूरी है, वो होता है ना, वो टाइम में बैठते हैं और फिर वो पेपर्स आने वाला है. Just sit. I had these friends. I don't know how the youth is today. कि आंखें बंद कर रहा, मजाक बनाना, बड़ा बुलिंग टाइप शुरू हो जाता था. Let them do. कोई आके बोलेगा ना कि बड़े भैया योगी बन रहे हो, बोलना हाँ जी आओ पैर छुओ, मेरे आशीर्वाद ले लो. You will get wisdom. Be proud. Be proud of your techniques which has helped you. Be honest. Be kind to yourself. है ना? होता है ना? होगा ना? बुलिंग होती है ना? कैसे करेंगे उससे लड़ाई? आई वुड से डिफेंड. लड़ाई नहीं करनी हमें, सॉरी. डिफेंड. अपने आप को इफेक्ट नहीं करना. दिस विल हेल्प. फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, इम्यूनिटी, डिजीज फ्री, डिप्रेशन, yes, yoga will help. By accepting truth, yes. What is truth? ढूंढो. मैं भी ढूंढ रही हूँ. What is truth? That's true, Shivangi, by accepting truth. What is truth? ढूंढते हैं हम सब. मिलके ढूंढेंगे ना, ढूंढेंगे. Any questions, anything anybody wants to share or ask? किसी को नहीं समझ आया, want to do it again?
Ma'am, actually, everyone was very interactive, and I'm so happy that all the volunteers asked so many questions. So I'm sure everybody understood everything. Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am, for this wonderful session. And it was really insightful. We all got to know about many, many new things. And I'm sure that everyone was very relaxed throughout the session. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much for making me a part of this, because honestly, I learned a lot today. Honestly. To end on to accepting truth, yes. What is truth? Let's all find out. Let's all find out and share what is truth. Until we meet next time. You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. I think this journey was, as in, we learned from you, and I guess you learned from us. It was an enlightening journey. And I would request all the attendees to kindly fill the feedback form that will be posted in the chat box right now. And now I would like to request Sanadhya ma'am, Program Officer of Vivekananda College, to say the vote of thanks. Ma'am, please.
Ma'am, please unmute yourself.
Thank you, Anshu. And thank you so much, Neha, for explaining us very beautifully what is yoga, what is yoga beyond asanas. Actually, हम सब लोग क्या सोचते हैं, yoga is basically to do आसन. जितने हम आसन करेंगे उतना हम योगा कर रहे हैं, but you have beautifully you have explained कि what is yoga. Actual में अपने आप को खुश रखना, अपने को अपने से ही कनेक्ट करना is basically yoga. क्योंकि अगर हम मेंटली फ्री नहीं है, वी आर नॉट हैप्पी, तो बॉडी को फिट रखना इतना मतलब यूजफुल नहीं है. मेंटली हेल्थी होना इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट देन. दोनों का होता है, बट अगर आप मेंटली हैप्पी नहीं है तो खाली आसन्स करना इज नॉट गुड. दैट्स व्हाई एवरीबॉडी सेज कि डू मेडिटेशन, डू दिस थिंग, डू प्राणायाम. तो एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग जो अभी आपने बताई वो भी मैं कर रही थी, एंड इट्स रियली वेरी रिलैक्सिंग. अभी मैं बहुत ज्यादा ये होता है ना कि हाउस होल्ड वर्क्स होते हैं, ये वर्क होते हैं, ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं, बट आफ्टर डूइंग दिस एक्सरसाइज आई एम फीलिंग वेरी रिलैक्स. सो बेसिकली इट्स गुड. और आई थिंक कि हमारे जो वॉलंटियर्स हैं दे विल फॉलो दिस, कि हम रोज at least 5 minutes or 10 minutes we can do, and we can control our anger, we can give peace to our mind. So thank you so much, Neha. So on the behalf of Vivekananda College and Keshav Mahavidyalaya, once again I extend a really hearty vote of thanks to you, Neha. I am immensely thankful to our principals, Dr. Hina Nandrajog and Professor Madhu Pruthi of both the colleges, who always inspire us to do our best and standing up pillars of strength. I'm short of words for the host of today's webinar, who have organized it very well. Thank you, Ashwati, and thank you, Anshu. And in the last, I would like to thank all the participants and NSS volunteers who joined this webinar, and I hope you will try to do all these exercise and keep to अपने आप को खुश रखने की कोशिश करेंगे, relax रखने की कोशिश करेंगे. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sandhya ma'am. Yoga is the invaluable gift of India's tradition. It is not about exercise, but to discover the sense of oneness within yourself, the world, and nature. We sincerely hope this was an enriching experience to each one of you, and with that, we have come to the end of today's session. Thank you all for joining. We hope you all have filled the feedback form which has been given in the chat box, and all those who have already filled it may please leave the session. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Before leaving, I want Neha ji to post her email ID on the chat box, if possible, so that if there is any other query from any other student or participant, then maybe they can contact you.
Ansh, can you do that for me, because I'm on an iPad and मैं ना ये कुछ दिख नहीं रहा.
Sure.
So my email
Sure, ma'am. I'll post your email.
Yeah, my email ID is lifeissimple.india@gmail.com.
Lifeissimple.india
.india@gmail.com. And I'll send you the name of this book. I really like it, yes. And there are lots of books available. But if you really want to know how yoga can help us and what is yoga, these are the good books to start with. Vivekananda. I am a Vivekananda. Lots of good books by Vivekananda. You should read.
Okay.
So yes, I would also like to extend my hearty vote of thanks to Neha and all the volunteers who have put their efforts in conducting this session. Thank you, Sandhya ji, and yes, our principals also. And I really hope, Neha, that we would be connecting soon for a lovely session just like this, and with more ideas and more enlightenment to all of us. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. And अगर आपके पास questions है ना, कल परसों ask lots of questions to the speakers coming. Yeah.
Okay. We'll do that, really. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Neha ji. Thank you, Richa ji. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Now
everyone.
I would request everyone to leave this meeting. Thank you once again.
I hope everyone has filled up the feedback form, right?
Yes, ma'am. We have posted multiple reminders in the chat as well.
Okay. Fine. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. Take care.